I don't know what's wrong with this game. So like I was saying, I would just pretend I would reestablish in this country and then boom. Me, I'm already tired of this country. I'll run with my wife. I'm telling you.
Hey, my in-law. Ogomoke, so this is what you're saying. So you want to run away with my sister and you will just dump me here.
And who told you we're leaving without you?
You just said it now. You've been busy saying all your plans. How you're going to run away with my sister and everything. You didn't even put me in any of the plans now. Did I hear my name, Peace, dear?
My in-law, there is no way we're leaving without you. Do you know what you mean to us? I mean, your sister and I. Eh?
Oh yeah, tell me.
You mean the world to us. Especially your sister. And let me tell you secrets. Do you know your sister will die if you're not close to her? I don't know, she just loves you so much.
I love her
I've
too.
never seen that kind of love before.
I love her too, and she knows I can't live or stay without her.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning, young man. I don't think we've met before, have we?
Actually, we have not met. My name is Peter. I'm from Obisi community. Oh. And I came to see Peace here. She's my girlfriend.
Who is your girlfriend? Did I hear you well? Who is your girlfriend? I ask you, Peter. How many times have I told you to stay away from me? I made it very clear. It is over between us. Didn't you get it? What the hell are you doing here? Wait, by the way, who told you I'm here? How did you find me? Wait, you've been going up and down looking for me. Why? What for?
Please, just calm down. Calm down. This young man is here to see you. If you two have a problem, you sit down and talk about it, and I'm sure there's nothing that
there is nothing to talk about with Peter. There is nothing to talk about with him. It is over between us. Get it? Nonsense. Then call it.
Please.
Peace have every reason to be angry with me because I hurt her so bad. And I came here to make my amendment.
Like I said before, I have never seen Peace that mad. I've never seen her that angry. So what transpired between you two that made her this angry?
It was pride that came over me. Because there is a nasty condition I gave to her that before our relationship can work out, she must accept to get pregnant for me first.
Yeah. Get pregnant for you first. And why will you give her such condition if you truly love her like you claim?
I was thinking that there are plenty of ladies outside there. But you know, when it comes to wife material, it's just like breaking a rock with a wood. And I must say that Peace is a wife material after I realized my mistake.
No, she's not a wife material. There are plenty of women out there. You can go to those joints and pick one and get married to her.
And I'm here to say sorry, sir. I'm ready to make Peace my wife if she accepts her. Take me back. I want you to help me talk to her.
Listen, I will talk to her. I'll try my best, alright? But you have to be very careful. Because this is the first and last time I'm doing this. Alright?
I will, sir. I will, sir. If you help me to talk to her, God will bless you. And I will be ready to perform the marriage rite immediately before another guy will come and snatch her away from me.
Keep wasting time now. I'll
Thank
try.
you very much. God bless you, sir.
I'll try. My in-law, I'll advise you to find a place in your heart to forgive that young man. Yes. The man I saw have got prospect and he has plans for the future.
Which future? See, my in-law Gomuke, I am sorry, but Peter should go to hell. He should go and look for another woman. A woman who will be willing to get pregnant before marriage. Because I am not interested.
My own problem is to know if the young man is handsome or not. Because I don't want an ugly man as an in-law.
No, this one, Amaka. Yes, the man is very beautiful.
Sister, you're not even serious. We are here talking something serious. And you're here talking about handsome.
Yes, so. What are you saying? We need a handsome man now. Listen, I don't want an ugly man to touch my sister, not to talk of impregnating her. I don't want that one. Biko.
You're right. Me, I'm not even ready to even settle with the Peter self. I'm not. You should know I'm very selective, Sisi. You should know that.
That's why you're my sister. Hey, you know what's up? It is better to marry a handsome, loving, understanding, caring, good in, poor man. Someone like this, and then walking, gonna give me.
No.
You know this one with me, I don't need lamp in my house at night.
I don't understand.
Stop living with an ape, oh.
No, wait, I don't understand. What do you mean by that? So you're indirectly calling me a poor man now?
No, my love. Usam, the richest man in the world. That's why I married you now.
Sisi, what up, bamboo? I'm getting a zoo.
Living in the zoo.
That's a zoo. But on the contrary, my love, like my mother will always say, the beauty of a man is actually his bank account and not his physical appearance. Because a rich, ugly babu in the zoo, Zazuze, can marry anybody, even the finest girl in the world. So what are you not saying?
Aquarium. No. You see this thing you just said? There is exception to that. What are you saying? You want me to wake up in the night, middle of the night, start running, thinking that a ghost visited me because I married a zoo? Bam. Listen, you see my sister and I, we have a thing for handsome men. I'm walking JJ meeting. A man that when you come out, all eyes on me.
Like the guy that came to see her, handsome guy.
Are you serious?
It's alright.
Is he handsome?
Which handsome? Sister, you know now. Open Afro came make Afro. So I'm just managing him. Is not any handsome.
My love. Guy Amaka.
Hey.
Nadike, I'm very, very, very happy. Imagine the twist of events that happens in Aham's family. Can you imagine that?
That shows that our ancestors are not asleep.
Hey.
If I tell you that I am not both happy and surprised, I should be a liar.
Nadike, see, on that fateful day before the broke of peace between Amefula and Nwakego, before my very eyes, Amefula knelt down, pleading to Nwakego, but Nwakego refused to accept his apologies.
He used to accept the younger brother's apology.
Yes, or Izioko Kamnakwa.
The only brother.
Yes, she refused. Nwakego.
That means that something negotiated or motivated Nwakego's sudden change.
Well, Nadike, whatever has motivated that, I thank our ancestors because Nwakego has changed. Yes, there's a great change in her. And Nadike, there's one more thing. Please, look deep into Akudo's childlessness. Because Uku Kaijacho, ihe dara mmiri.
Famado, Uku Kaijacho has dara mmiri. And you don't think that I am a kid. I'm an adult. And you don't tell an adult, go out of the sun. No, now.
Nadike.
In my only two, I know what I'm doing.
Nadike, You are truly the son of the soil.
Just like you are.
Hey, nah.
Ogada.
Ogada. Ogada. Ijadi.
Ufomada, Idre Lade. Ngwa.
Ladike. Hey!
Yeah, our dog.
Hey! After listening to a lot of complaints from Peter, with loads and loads of oaths of allegiance, well, I decided to call Peace, and I asked Peace to forgive him. I even gave her permission to escort him so that, you know, on the way they can talk and try and see how they can patch things, you know. So
Sister, I don't blame the people that said love is wicked. Because for the first time in a long time, that young man is going to have peace of mind. Eh?
Honestly, I thank God that he did not have an accident while coming to this house every day. Auntie, this guy comes to this house every day, begging, pleading, asking for peace.
But that serves him right. That serves him right. Get all your amulako. Now he will treat Peace like the priceless ornament that she is. You know, sometimes men need to be treated that way. Because they always like to learn the hard way.
No, sister. I don't agree with you, sister. Some men are loving, compassionate, passionate, treat their women nicely. Men like me.
Oh.
My wife can attest to that now. So what are you saying?
Yes, you.
Sister, he's right though.
What's going on again?
So this one he said there. I agree with him, it's true.
Yeah.
But in all sincerity, if we Peace one, Peace has a very strong heart. She hardly forgets, so she hardly forgives, so I pray she listens to your advice.
You know, I like that kind of heart. I like people with that kind of heart. In fact, I wish God would give me that kind of strong heart so that I will use it and deal with that my husband.
God forbid.
Sister,
God forbid. What are you saying? Chairman that normally calls me, hey, how far now my guy? Okay, cause we naga. Say you get a CBO, send them account. Boom. Send them account to Bogom. All of a sudden, you just cut off the whole thing. Sister, I pray God will soften your heart so that you can go back to your husband now. You just scattered everything with your, I don't know, and you're telling me your heart is even worse than that of Peace. You don't know?
No, me, I'm planning to forgive him. But he has to tumble from that gate and roll on his head inside this place and beg me well before I will accept.
And you say you're not wicked. My dear. You're very wicked.
See, Joy. If not that we're in Lent period, if not that I go to church to take Holy Communion, not only so, I will never talk to you. You're a very wicked friend. Two-faced human being. That is who you are. And this is how friends of these days, that's how they are. They can never keep secrets. Never! Wicked friend.
How could you make such decision?
Why won't I make such decision? Why won't I make such decision to stay away from evil friend like you? How could you? Joy, how could you? After everything, you went to go and tell Peter where I'm staying. Why will you tell Peter where I'm staying?
Me.
Why?
Me, Joyce.
Me. Omo dinenonko.
Was he the person that said that to you?
But he wasn't. It was me that said it. Was he?
Peace, please. This joke is expensive. I don't like this. Please.
It's expensive, Okwaya.
Is it after your warnings? Why will I do such a thing?
Why won't you do it when you've already done it?
Wait, have you forgotten that he do visit your uncle and the wife as well? Have you?
Wait, yes. You're right. That means Auntie Nkiru must have told him. Hey! I should have thought about it. Oh yeah, sorry. Eh? Is that why you're frowning this your ugly face? Eh?
I know that I'm ugly, but Amy, my sweetheart, loves me.
Hey, you're getting off your. I want Becca. Okay, no. Baby, not well. Hey, no, be one say though.
Please, by the way, how did you go?
My dear, everything is just there. For now, he's under probation. Till I'm ready to make up my mind that I want him. No, he should not come and stress me when he was busy giving me conditions left and right. He does not know. Now he want me to call it. No, you wait. He will suffer small. He will not just come back like that.
Oh, you could have told me that you are looking for a repentant.
Repentant what? Unyashire. Mba. Cho. Sister. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Sister, this is the money Peter gave me. Yes, so he said that I should go and buy my cream, I should go and buy my eye pencil, I should go and buy my lipstick, I should buy everything that I want to. That he liked the way I'm looking. Hey. So sister, tell me, how much do you want?
Nego ikwa. One them because give me the one that comes out of your mind.
Okay. Sister Nenke. 12,000.
No way. Banon. One them. There is no way we share your money equally. Hey, Gogi.
Sister, this is 12 and this is 13. You see? Oh yeah, take this one. After all, this money is not to be compared to what you spend on me. So, why are you bothered? You give me money if I don't have money to make my hair. You give me money if I don't have money to buy cream.
Peace.
Sister.
Peace. Hey. Thank you so much, my blood. You are more than a sister to me. Honestly.
If I'm more than a sister to you, it means that I'm your mommy. Oh yeah, sister, call me mommy.
But jokes apart, that is what you are to me. My mother. Mama Kudo.
Yes.
Afomula Kudo.
Oh,
Nemo.
Oh God, sister, you don't give me, I swear.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You don't know what you've just done. 12,000 naira. No kega. Hey.
Sister, I'm only praying for you that God will bless you with a child. I can't wait for you to carry your own baby and breastfeed them.
Amen.
Amen.
You see, that very day that I will breastfeed my own child, I will offer a sacrifice of burnt offering, because I will be filled with joy.
It will happen.
My happiness will know no bound.
It will happen and it will surely happen.
Amen. I'm already expecting it.
God is a miraculous God.
A great one.
He doesn't fail.
I know, right? I know. I believe him. I know.
Thank you. You're welcome.
So tell me.
Yeah?
Hope you and Peter have come back together.
No. He's on 1 month probation. So, till I make up my mind that I want to come back.
1 month again.
Probation.
Peace. After collecting his 25,000 naira. But he's a nice person now. Give him a chance. Peace. Affable peace, but you are a troublemaker. The blood flow continued last night.
Chimo,
It flowed throughout the night.
And you're saying it so calmly. Don't you know what is happening? You're losing the baby now. And you don't have anybody else to blame but yourself. Hey! You will start going to the hospital now. Kita.
Okay, I will go to the hospital. But I want to ask you, what of those pregnant women who engage in vigorous activities like farming? I even see some heavy pregnant women who hawk, engage in hard labors, yet give birth without stress.
Akudo, different women with different body systems. Eh? That is the same reason it will be difficult for one woman to take in and very easy for another woman to take in. Besides, jumping that Okada and going to the market was not what the doctor told you. In fact, the doctor specifically told you to rest over here.
I'm sorry. The thing is that I thought that the distance from here to the market is short.
Ezioku, Asonya Mamihe. Asonya Mamihe, doctor, you know better than the doctor. That doctor that asked you to take bed rest, you know better than him, okay? Meanwhile, where was that piece when you jumped at Okada? Where was she?
She was around when I left. She asked me not to go to the market.
Ezioku.
Tired of staying at home like a prisoner.
In fact, you see this sitting down there, you're sitting down talking calmly, doing me somehow in my body. Get up now, go and prepare. And be fast about it, let me make arrangements for transportation. Oh, say so. Hey! Fast!
Our love is no better, no more sorrow, no more argument, no more quarrel. There is no more fighting. We are one big family.
I hope you enjoyed the day.
Yes, I had a nice time.
You know I can do everything just to make you happy.
You know that's why I love you.
I love you so much.
Stop, Joe.
What do you mean?
Won't you come inside to greet my people?
Why not?
Alright?
Let's go in there. Yeah, move.
Stop looking at my bum bum.
Which bomb? It's not my property. Come on, move.
My in-law, like I said earlier, my sister here is ready to go back to her husband's house. As a matter of fact, her bags are already packed. But the thing there is that your brother, her husband, needs to come here to explain to our king's men, very simple, just like tradition demands, what my sister did that made him throw her out of the house.
Yes, he has to come and state my offense. That offense that I committed that made him throw me out of our peaceful matrimonial home and embarrassed me publicly.
Ogom, Ahamefuna, I beg you. Ezigbote Ogo, nwunye ọma m, I beg you people. That is the part of the request my brother needs help with. He said that he's ashamed of himself and cannot face the Umunna. Bikon. Oh?
Janet, Bialawa, start going. I can see that you people are not serious at all. When you people are serious to take me back, we will know. He's suddenly ashamed of himself. Can you imagine that?
I don't understand that statement.
Ah!
Because saying that he's ashamed of clearing the air is as good as a case of accusing someone in the fullness of the market. And then when the market is empty, you now withdraw your accusation. That's not correct now.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. So how then will the people that have gone home from the market know that the person was accused wrongly? Eh?
My in-law, nwunye ọma m, you both are right. But is there no way we can boycott the Umunna and do the internal settlement?
My in-law, there is no way we can boycott anything. Because we need to prove to our king's men and people of our community that my sister here is innocent.
Innocent of being a killer. Don't forget that part. Don't forget that what they accuse me of is killing. Killing, being a murderer, mama. Do you know what that accusation has cost me? Do you know that I no longer walk on the streets of this village? Do you know that I don't even go to the market because of shame? Ah, Mbakwa, he needs to come and clear my name publicly.
My wife, I have said you guys. Let me get home. I will get back to you guys. Oh, darling, oh. Your mom.
So I could. Once more, you're welcome to your family of origin. No.
Uncle. So I'm now a visitor to be welcome.
Yes, sir. Don't you know? Do you know that if anything good or bad should happen to you now that you are here, I own serious explanation to Ahamefuna. It's true. I think. Yes. So, there is that day that said that it is only a fool that does not know that his brother is a stranger in the house. So what brought you here?
Uncle, it's about this young man here, Peter. He indicated interest in marrying my younger sister, Peace.
Yes, Uncle. I truly love Peace and I would like to settle down with her. And that's why we're here.
You see the way he said it? Settle. Settle. Why would I?
And as tradition demands, I brought this for you.
Omega. Well, you say your name is Peter?
Yes, sir.
I accept this drink with thanks, but you nearly caused trouble and problem in this family. Are you not the same young man from Obis that frequent here all the time? You drive in, you drive out, you drive in, you drive out. You said that you were looking for peace or something.
Yes, sir. I was the one.
My dear, you nearly cut me in my marriage.
Oh.
My husband here accused me of infidelity. Nearly. Hey, if not for God.
God, though. At the time I was thinking, who is this young man who wants to snatch?
Because why are you like this? Abba, how can you accuse and
as I'm getting older, you know, women like it younger. So, Peter, you're welcome.
Oh my God!
Hey. This case of Peter and Peace has finally proven that your love theory is correct. You know, because who would have believed that Peace would accept Chairman back?
Why won't she? Why won't she? Even me that is talking here, I will not guarantee you that I will not fall into, not even fall. I will not somersault into my husband's arms if he dares walk into this compound now.
Wait, sister, don't tell me. I hope you're not joking, no? I hope this is not a joke because I can't wait to start receiving my magic alert again.
Also, magic alert.
No. Chairman, how far? Keep work. Send your account.
But don't you know that the heart grows fonder with absence? Now, unless there is no love in your relationship, as long as there is love, an atom of love, yeah. Once you people see each other again, that chemistry must come to play. Before you know what is happening, you're gonna care. People have started hugging, kissing, doing sabata. See you.
I think I need to start always get my jota whenever you're talking about love.
Auntie Wakego, what happened?
Happened when?
Were you not the one that said the other day that if your husband comes to plead with you, that he has to somersault from the gate before you forgive him?
No.
Forget what someone said in anger because
So
shock me. Let it shock you well.
Abo, topic, confirm this for us.
What am I confirming? What do I know about love? I'm just learning. See our love doctor here. Auntie Waka, because it's 3 months to us, I'm enjoying it.
The most important thing here is that you have accepted your husband.
Yes, sir.
You know, your future husband.
Exactly.
So,
Congratulations. Oh, don't worry. You will see that marriage is a very sweet institution. Either for one night, can't you see how they are enjoying? That is the same way you will enjoy in your husband's house. Yeah, don't worry.
there's love there.
No, there is
true
love.
love.
There is true love. I can see it in her eyes. Even though she's trying to cover the eyes, I can see the love.
My love. From Auntie Nwakego's statement earlier, can't you put 1 and 1 together to know that she wants to go back to her family?
Yes, I know she wants to. Okay. And I'm not holding her back. But forget jokes, so all those things I was saying there. Chairman, how far? Send your account. Boom, money enter. No matter how much you put in my account, every traditional right must be met before my sister goes back to his house. It's tradition now. Tradition is tradition. You don't play with it.
Baby, what do you have to gain keeping her here? Huh? Don't you know that her going back to her family will facilitate the help she promised us?
Facilitate help she promised us. How? I don't understand. Explain.
If she joins her family, the help she promised us will be double with the help of her husband. If she had in mind to give you 1 million and her husband adds another 1 million, that makes it 2 million. Hello.
This is ideal. No. Your idea is... I'm impressed, though. Ha! I'm impressed. You know what? I will talk to my uncle about this. You know, we'll make plans and see if you can settle this internally, because this is what the husband actually wants.
And if you succeed in talking your uncle into this, her husband will value you more. He will see it as a huge favor that you've done for him, and he will appreciate you.
Idea. Idea. If I help him, he will help me.
One.
If I scratch his back, he will scratch my back. And then he will ask for my account, and boy, plenty money.
Yes, sir.
We'll travel abroad and we enjoy.
Start living a good life.
That is why I married you. And you have sense. Too much sense.
You can say that again.
No, you're too smart.
I need our unborn children to live a good life. I don't want them to suffer here in the village. Where's the water you asked for? Oh?
I don't want.
You have to try. Yeah? Your temperature is very high. This is a sign of typhoid and malaria. You have to try. Take your bath, eat, and take the drugs my husband bought for you. Oh?
I don't have strength, so
you have to try.
Take my bath.
Biko.
I don't even have a
Biko, you have to try. Yeah? Please, you have to try and eat so you take the drugs. Stand up so you bring the water. Stand up so you drink the water. Relax your body. Sorry. This is a sign of typhoid and malaria. Please, Biko, eat so that you take drugs.
My love, I think you should go in there. Try to force her now to take the medicine I got for her. She's your younger sister. She needs to take those medicines at least so she gets better before we take her to the hospital.
What are you saying? Takudo should go inside. and force a grown woman to take her medicine. Yeah. Let us go outside and charter a taxi. I am mabuli ekozuma that don't need any taxi. We bundle her inside the taxi and take her straight to the hospital. I'm only for them here.
Auntie Wakego, don't you think it will be too risky taking her to the hospital in her condition without giving her first aid? Consider the distance.
Which still falls back to my suggestion. Eh? Go in there, she's your younger sister, find a way to talk to her. Convince her to take the medicine so she can gather strength before we take her to the hospital. Eh? As simple as ABC.
Let me go and see what I can do
Please
about it.
go and see what you can do. Go and do something, please. Eh?
Diario, are you sure that this is not Obanje?
Yeah. Which one is Obanje again now?
Considering the sudden way that sickness just came, no announcement, nothing. Eh? What do you want me to say? That can only be a serious attack, and serious attacks like that can only come from demons.
No, I don't understand though, sister. So before sickness will come to someone, there will be a special announcement. Hey, special announcement, malaria is coming. Special announcement, Isiyowa is coming. Ha! Now wow. Or maybe they will send SMS or send you put a call through. No. This girl is not feeling fine. Now let's find a way to save her life. You're saying all these things you're saying. I don't even understand you. Yeah.
Hello.
My sister, why are you refusing to take your drugs?
I will be fine. Yes. I'm fine. All I need right now is bed rest. That's all I need.
All you need is bed rest. So we should just allow you to rest. Can't you see that the entire family is worried about your sudden sickness? How do you expect us to relax and watch you die? Please.
I will not die. I will live and testify the goodness of Lord in my life. Don't worry yourself, sister. You worry too much. Nothing will happen to me. I'll be fine.
Okay, fine. If you are sure of what you just said, that you are fine, can I get your food now?
I don't want to eat, can't you see? I don't want to eat food, I'm not hungry.
Please, why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this? Even Sister Nwakego suggested that we rush you to City Hospital. But how will you be treated since you've not had anything to eat? You need to eat to be treated.
I'm not going to any city hospital. And nothing is wrong with me. I'm fine. Why is it that you like crying? You like crying. Now you're making me to cry. Just leave me. I'm okay. I'll be fine. Leave me alone.
Frankly, I am tired of this whole situation. You know, I was thinking that you would pity me. That you will think of my own health condition and have mercy on me. But no, you are making it worse for me. You are making everything worse for me by refusing all effort to make you well again. What would you have me do, please? What do you want me to do?
I'm fine. I'm okay. Just let me be. Don't worry yourself about me. I'm okay. I'll be fine.
So what you are doing is not fair. You know you are the only family I have. You know that this your sickness is affecting me too. Now you are not the only person sick. I am sick too. Bikonu, please, Bikonu, Bikozeno.
what are you doing here? Why are you crying?
Why would I cry? Why would I cry? Can't you see that my sister is dying in silence? Should something happen to her, what will I tell my uncle?
Stop. Alright? Nothing is going to happen to your sister. She'll be fine. Stop this thing you're doing now. Stop it.
You are talking as if you don't know she is the only one I have. No other brother, no sister, no father, no mother. She is all I've got in this world.
At the same time, you cannot force her to take her medicines. Neither can you force her to go to the hospital. Eh? She knows her body system more than any one of us. So I'm very sure she's fine. So stop all this. Stop it, please.
At this point, I am confused. I don't know anything anymore. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to think. I just don't know. I don't know.
My love, you should try and put yourself together. Remember the doctor's warning.
Who cares about the doctor's warnings? Who cares? If I am 100% okay and my sister is not feeling fine, my sister is dying. Does that make any sense?
Can you stop this thing you're saying? Your sister is not dying. And what do you mean she's dying in silence? Stop this thing you're saying. Let's go inside, please. Your sister is not dying now. Stop proclaiming evil.
Please leave me. Just
Babe, I said let's go inside. Eh? Your sister is fine. Peace is fine. My sister-in-law is fine. Nothing is going to happen to her.
My sister is dying. My sister is dying. And she does not want to take any medicine. She does not want to go to the hospital. My sister is just dying in silence. Nobody knows what is happening to her.
Can you stop this negativity? Just stop, please. Your sister is not dying. Let's go inside.
Peace, my darling. Why don't you agree and go to the hospital? Do you know the psychological trauma this your sickness is giving your sister? Do you know?
Auntie Waka, I don't want to go to any hospital, see any doctor.
Okay, so should we agree or assume that you already know what is wrong with you?
No, it's just that, you know, these days I've just been throwing up. The smell of food disgusts me. That's how I've just been so uncomfortable.
You see, that is the main reason you should go to a proper hospital and conduct a proper test. Wait, let me ask you. When was the last time you treated malaria?
It's been a while, but the symptoms I'm feeling, I don't know if it's malaria or because the way that I'm just showing up, my tummy, sometimes it will just be turning. And my breast is paining me, it's very heavy.
Please, I would like you to see me as your blood auntie. Just relax, be comfortable and confide in me, okay? Have you seen your flow this month?
No.
Or maybe these are symptoms that indicate that it's on its way.
I can't tell, honestly. This one is strange, or maybe this is the new trend. I can't tell.
Well, the symptoms vary as we get older, so we never can tell.
I don't know.
The bitter truth is that Peace might be pregnant.
Pregnant? How? Where? When? For who?
My love, calm down. Calm down. Eh? Let's take things one step at a time. Okay? Sister Wakego, are you sure about this? How did you find out now?
I was talking with her, trying to see if I can get any kind of information out of her. The next thing, she started vomiting, and I had to attend to her myself.
Hey!
No!
Hey! My only sister pregnant. Hey! Peace mo. Peace alata mo. Mba. I can't believe that. No.
I will advise you to handle this with kids' gloves. Because honestly, I am not sure. I am just, speaking out of experience.
My love, my sister is right. Okay? I don't want you pushing her and otherwise making her withhold information. Take things easy so she doesn't do otherwise. Huh?
Baby, do you know the stigma, the shame, the insults, the disgrace, the rejection that this will bring to this family if it happens to be true?
Akudo, I would not want you to go against my words. Go inside there, talk to your sister and see if she will open up to you. Go now!
Go and talk to her. Go and talk to her and see if she'll tell you anything, okay? Go.
Go and talk to her.
You know that wherever our late parents are, wherever they are watching us from right now, they will be so happy of how united we are. You know, right?
Sister, I don't believe in all those things. I don't believe that our loved ones are watching us from somewhere. I just feel they are all assumption. Yes. But it's you now, you believe what you believe.
To me, the dead are alive spiritually. And it is a generally accepted theory that the spiritual controls the physical.
Sister, please. Leave all this spiritual something. Why did you bring me out? You know my health condition. I can't stay like this for long. I want to go and lie down.
I'm sorry I stressed you out here. I brought you out to ascertain what exactly is wrong with you. Tell me, your sister, the truth. What is wrong with you?
Sister, how many times should I tell you that nothing is wrong with me? How many times should I make it known to all of you that I'm okay? Why are you people bugging me and trying to bring out words from my mouth? Why all the noise?
The noise is because we care for and love you. Secondly, you have totally refused. You have refused going to the hospital for a proper checkup.
So I'm a child, right? I'm a baby that cannot take care of myself, right? That is why everybody's trying to bring out words from my mouth. I've told you for countless times, nothing is wrong with me. I am fine. I am fine.
So, peace, my beloved sister, my one and only sister in whom I am well pleased. I am this worried because if anything bad is to happen to you, I will take my life. Yes. I will kill myself so that our father's lineage be closed. I can't live. I cannot live, not even for a second, without you.
Can you listen to yourself? No. You want to kill yourself if anything happens to me. Oh my God. Akudo, from what planet are you from? Yes, we are sisters. But our destinies are different. We have different destinies. You saying you will take your own life if anything happens to me? No, it's a no-no. You have your life, I have my life. And I want you to know that nothing will happen to me.
Then should I take it that nothing serious is wrong with you? Why are you doing this to me? You say you are healthy, you say you are fine, but becoming too much. This is becoming serious. Do you know that I just finished speaking to Peace? She blatantly refused to see the doctor. She says she is fine, but looking at her, she is not fine. Peace is dying. Like, my world is crashing down on me.
Baby, she's not dying. Alright? Your sister is not dying. Besides, she's not even helping matters. She's not dying. Stop stressing yourself.
Can't you see? Can't you see how broken I am? Can you not see the trouble I am passing through? What I don't understand is why Peace is being this hard on me. Does she want me to kill myself? Does she want me to commit suicide before she realizes that I am not physically, emotionally and mentally okay?
Babe, stop this.
I'm losing it.
Stop. What do you mean by Peace wants to make you commit suicide? What's the meaning of that thing now? Please don't say that thing you're saying. Please don't say it again. Peace is not a child. Eh? She's not a child. She understands her own body more than any one of us. Stop stressing yourself for your own good. I'm telling you, stop stressing yourself.
I should stop stressing myself.
Yes, stop stressing yourself.
Do you know why you're saying this? It is because she is not your blood sister. Yes, because she is not your blood sister. I should stop stressing myself because of one doctor's advice. I should let my blood sister die. The only person I have. I should just let her die.
Sorry, I didn't say you should let her die. I didn't say you should let her die. She's not going to die. You are just disturbing yourself too much. Peace. Okay. Say you want to run mad.
I am disturbing myself.
Run mad, Father Mbaka will tie you chain there.
I am disturbing myself.
Baby, stop this thing you're doing now.
You want me
just
to,
crying up and down.
You want me to allow my sister to die? Would that be so callous and inconsiderate of me? What are you telling me? I am just going mad. I don't know what to do again. I don't know what to do. I'm losing my senses. Peace wants to kill me. Peace wants to finish me.
Baby, don't lose your senses, so.
Peace wants to finish me. This is not fair.
Don't lose your senses, so. I know why I'm saying this thing. Don't do this thing and lose your senses, so.
Joyce, thank you so much. Thank you for honoring my invitation.
Yeah.
Although I have to suspend all I'm doing at home to make it here. So, what's the meaning of the urgent song?
I'm sorry for any inconvenience I must have caused you. I am deeply sorry. Forgive me. The thing is that I called you here because of an urgent matter. It is a big problem, and this problem has to do with my sister, who is also your bosom friend. Please.
What about her?
Peace is seriously sick. She is very sick. The problem here now is that she has refused to go to the hospital. She has also refused to take the drugs that my husband bought for her. The thing is driving me crazy.
Why?
That is why I called you. Being her friend, she might be able to open up to you and tell you what the problem is. So I want you to talk to her and know what the problem is. Please, I have talked and talked, I have cried. I don't know what else to do.
Where is she?
She's at the backyard. Vomiting.
Vomiting?
Yes.
Is it bad at
it? Is worse than that.
Come and show me.
Just go to the backyard. The backyard. Please talk to her. Let's know how to solve this problem because I am tired. I don't know what else to do. I don't know what else to do. Please help me convince her to tell you the truth.
What's wrong with you? So this is true. What your sister is telling me is true, right? Peace.
Wait. I don't understand. Why is my sister raising unnecessary dust over my illness? Is she alright or is she senseless? What is wrong with her?
Why would she? When you refuse to go to the hospital or take your drugs, why would she?
Hey, so that's why she'll be making my health condition a public announcement. So she's going up and down be telling people. It's not a public affair, Okwaya. What kind of nonsense is this now? Why is that my sister cannot use her head?
So, I'm not a public affair. Me, Joyce, right? Hey.
Please, Joy, I will not have you insult me. Did you hear me? This is just a simple illness that will come and go. Can't they understand?
Then you have to open up to them. Open up to them. Let them stop stressing themselves about you. What is wrong with you? Let them know that the sickness will come and go. Yes.
I see. It's my sister that is the cause of all these things, but no problem. Become my friend, I'm begging you in the name of God. Right now, I needed enough rest. I don't have time for all these things, I beg. Just wrap Marga. Let me deal with what is wrong with me.
Peace. Sorry.
Leave me alone. Why are you making me feel sick now? Happen to Marga, give me one.
Please, Auntie Akudo, as much as possible, a doctor must be arranged to check on Peace, even if it's to bring the doctor here. What do you say?
Yes, you're right. I buy that idea because delay is dangerous.
My love, if you agree with what she said, it's okay by me. But you should understand what comes with it.
Of course I do. I'm not a child. I'll have to do the needful.
Then I expect you to do something immediately.
Of course I will. I have to take my leave now, okay? So I'll just put things together.
Joyce, are you sure appendicitis has not busted inside my sister's stomach as a result of the constant vomiting?
No. Let's not base on presumption. Let's await the doctor's report to avoid self-medication.
You're right.
Mr. Wakego, you know the ugly and negative reputation that will come to us if peace eventually dies in this house.
God forbid. Chukwamankwe. Eh? And that will be in addition to the stigmatization I already face because of the accusation of my useless husband. Eh?
Thank God you understand my fear. That is why we have to do everything humanly possible to make sure that does not happen.
You see this one? I agree with you. Eh? Anything you want to do or you feel we should do to douse this situation, I am all for it.
Well, sister, I am suggesting we go out there, look for a doctor that we can convince to come back to this house and take care of her here, since she has refused to go to the hospital with us now.
That won't be a bad idea. There's no problem. If you can arrange it, arrange it. Don't worry about the bills. I'll pay. I'll foot the bills.
Gosh, madam. The problem now is finding a doctor that will agree to come.
Don't come with any excuse now. Take it up as a challenge. Search for a doctor frantically because life is very important. And the more we waste time, the more things are there maybe. Eh? I mean, what will it take? In fact, you can also devise a language that you will use to convince that your sister-in-law to go to the hospital. That is another option. What do you think?
What other language will I use? Is it Chinese? Eh?
So,
no,
find a doctor. Go culture. Just find a doctor, tell him to name his price, and bring him here. It will only take money. Amundia, everybody has price. Even if you like, go to military hospital self or government hospital. Meet their chief consultant. Just ask him to name his price. He will follow you to this place. Hey, go name.
It's alright, I'll see what I can do. Please. My sister has agreed to foot your bills. Either ways, you choose a way to go about your health issues.
What do you mean by either ways? And I don't understand. Why are you all blowing this out of proportion? Why? I am sick and tired of this love and care. You are choking me. You're suffocating me.
Can you please stop being self-centered? Why do you care about just yourself? You don't care about any other person around you. Why are you doing this? Yes, we are blowing things out of proportion because we love and care about you.
You call this love?
Can't you see?
Please.
Peace, we are one in this family. And one's pain is for everyone. So just stop with this your attitude.
You stop. You should stop patronizing me. What kind of a thing is this? You're choking me. Can't you see? Okay,
I am only worried and concerned about you because of my wife's health. If not, I would have left you to your feet. After all, you're old enough to take care of yourself.
Exactly. I am old enough to take care of myself. So you should just let me be. Give me a break.
We are not going to give you any break until you get back on your feet. Peace. What do you mean? Are you forgetting your life is in our hands?
My life is in your hands. As what? As Chukwu Kikabiomano. Oburiano. Chineke bineni gogodoya na aponani. My life is in you people's hands. You should just let me be.
Have you forgotten that before you came to stay with us, we had to take excuse from your uncle? What are we supposed to tell him if something happens to you?
Peace choy latam. Ora nulupo no num na peace choy latam. Peace choy chita mo bezi. Onwe ife mmei.
Hey, Okudo, you used to cry and everything you be crying, everything you be shaking. You can never be strong. See, my in-law, Pico, if this is the case, I would rather go back to my uncle's house where I have my peace and sanity. I am tired.
Is that what you're saying, Peace?
Yes.
Is this what you're saying? It's alright though.
You should leave me. Everybody, peace.
Why are you wicked? Why are you like this? are you like this, please?
Oh, I don't get it. Ogini, remember! This is a case of a dog eating a bone hung on his neck. Abefula, this is a total betrayer. You didn't try at all. Where I go?
He did not try. He did not try. And the worst part is that I am at a crossroad now. This case is not as simple as it looks. It has a lot of complexities. One, Peace is already engaged. So we have Peter to contend with. Two, how do we now handle that their quarrelsome and bitter uncle?
Hey, Nadike!
Nadike!
Hey!